Yeah, the kitties are really cute. I've noticed that one of the white kitties knows how to actually play, how to lick, how to even try to get the breast for herself. So it looks like the kitties know what they're doing, but the other white kitty knows how to even play, how to lick, how to. One of
They're
the
so cute.
the
They
white
just
kitty that I'm talking about is I say this one or this one. I don't know. But
they're
they got
like 4 days
switched.
old, right? Or yeah,
Yeah,
3 days or 4 days.
this one is fat.
Yeah.
This one is a bit
It's
thin.
October 25, 2022.
Yes, it's almost Halloween.
Yeah, almost my birthday too.
So funny. They're kicking each other.
Actually, there's 6 kittens. It's just that one is sleeping.
Yeah, one is sleeping right in
on
the corner.
corner.
Yeah, and the
Yeah.
camera should point to it.
I have to. They're so cute.
Yes, they are. So these little kitties, this kitty, I think she
Don't
knows how
forget
to
to
do
subscribe
stuff.
to Meow Meow Channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Ethan Christoph.
She's
Subscribe to
kicking.
Gorgeous Mentor Aji. Subscribe to Aji.
Yes.
We're so happy.
So fun.
It's so funny. They're walking.
They're all kicking.
They're kicking it. Oh no, there's no more memories. I hope it will save my baby. Will it?